I am happy that this opportunity enables us to reflect on the state of play. Allow me, Chair, to commend the people of Sahel for the resilience that they continue to demonstrate under a dire climate crisis situation. We convened here today must do everything possible to help reverse this trend. I applaud the Republic of Niger for providing leadership and championing this cause. In particular, I commend the excellent efforts of my brother, His Excellency President Mohamed Bazoum, for the progress in setting up the institutional mechanism of the Climate Commission for the Sahel region. Everything is at stake. Developing resilience to climate impact is going to become increasingly foundational to our pursuit of sustainable development, socio-economic transformation, and shared prosperity. We will not give up these aspirations. We will just have to do more. The AU initiatives organized under the commissions are intended to leverage the hard-won, long-sought, and painstaking achievements under the UNFCCC and translate those intentions into goals and into actions. This way, Africa's leadership is taking steps to secure the individual well-being of every African as well as our collective prosperity and security. As a result, the Commission has secured the fund's initial capitation. I commend the Commission for a promising start and commendable progress. The significance of this achievement must be understood in the context of a global financial architecture that remains unresponsive to Africa's needs and whose allocations have denied the continent the opportunity to implement post-pandemic recovery plans. The leadership transition underway at the World Bank may be opportune for us to contribute our voice and initiate the overdue conversation about the need to reimagine the international financial system. Given the pressure that the multiple crises have had on the developing world, the IMF and World Bank need to work together to solve the burgeoning debt crisis affecting Africa and other reform agenda. For climate financing, the desirable institutional infrastructure ought to provide finance that is accessible, affordable, sustainable, one that promotes technology transfer, and most importantly, one that is timely. We are racing against time. The time has come to intensify effective climate action beyond the individual national undertakings to collective endeavor on continental scale.